Hey guys, welcome back. We are going to work on some tags. I got a few bits and pieces out here to work with. And get the labels moved off here. And a little bitty baby journaling card to work on. I also made a master board that I have made a few journaling cards out of. Just with some stamps that had like nature scenes and flowers and butterflies and stuff out of Tim Holtz paper. The back is neutral enough to be written over. And then I've got the 3 journaling cards that come in the kit. It's called Leaf Men from Kyung. I'm not considering this a design team project because I just found it by accident. Okay, let me start on this one, I guess. Move stuff out of the way. I'm going to ink around the stuff though, because I do want that to pop. I hope you guys are doing well today. I have thoroughly enjoyed picking out stuff to use. I'm also going to be using my faux tape that I have made. Simply because it's grungy and these birds came from Kyung as well. It's free on her Buy Me a Coffee page, Wonders by Wink, I believe is what it is. Also, may just be under Kyung Shotwell, but I'm pretty sure it's Wonders by Wink. Little heart that we used. I'm just using the Ground Espresso Distress Oxide. It is my favorite brown. I mean, not that I have anything against any of the other browns that I own. I don't. I like them all. Okay. Okie dokie. I'm going to use art glitter glue on that one because it's made with cardstock. Not heavy cardstock. I think it's like 65-pound weight. Light cardstock, but same way with the number. Now, I'm not going to put a topper on this yet because I don't know yet what I want to use for a topper on here. But there is one. Can be written on. set it off to dry. We'll work on this one here. I think I want a piece of the yellower, more yellow looking tape. As soon as I find the end piece here to peel up. Alright, where's it at? There we go. Throw that away. Okay. Where's my scissors? What'd I do with them? I threw them over here. Okay. Okay. Man, that's some sticky stuff. I'm gonna use that other little bit on the card there. Okay, now go around the stuff here, just so that the white edges aren't really visible. I don't typically cut the legs out when I'm doing owls. I usually just, because they're real finicky, so I just cut around them. Okay. Probably should have my glue book out for that, but oh well. Be alright. Alright. I didn't want to waste time looking for stuff to put on these, because that takes so long to do. I don't care if that's got a little bit of a bump in it, we'll just accent it. Okay. I wanted this red. Oop, I forgot to ink around that. Okay, I want this label on. Now this was thicker cardstock because it was that's what, like a craft colored cardstock. It feels about like a 80-pound weight. Okay, so there's that one. I'm kind of doing different sizes because I don't know yet. I didn't want to do anything too large in the journal because of the pages. Some of the pages can take it. because I didn't cut them all down to be the same size. Because my printer doesn't print all the way, so I end up with like 8 by 10 pages instead of 8.5 by 11. This is just a sticker. It looks like a postage stamp. Okay, and I have a little label there. Missed the whole section of my heart there. Alright, let's see if I can get this off. Usually pretty easy right here on the corners. Well, I say that. Yeah. I may not want to put a label on that one. Kind of like him just like that. Okay. Now this one I don't think I'm going to put any tape on. I don't think I'm going to ink around everything either. Just this newspaper, well, like faux newspaper ad type thing. I'm going to ink around the butterfly though, just to get rid of any white. I believe this was a Tim Holtz butterfly. It's not a sticker. I'm going to put it on with art glitter because it's cardstock. I've got this division of entomology that came from Love Jump Journals, otherwise known as Tracy Fox. Okay. Okay, so I've got this one ready to go. And then my final one, I got my little bunny from Home Book and Treasure. I'm going to ink around him a little. Also going to kind of grunge them up a bit in the middle. There. I didn't have any green paper on that one. It's alright. I got some right here. I'm going to add a little art glitter to this as well. Just because I don't want him coming off at all. Remove those toesies there. Okay. Let's see. And I've got this label here that says Woodland. Don't really want to cover him up any, but maybe I can put it right there. And that's what I've got so far to use. Definitely gotta make some more pockets. I'd like to make maybe an altered paper clip or two. That's a wee bit crooked, but you know what, I ain't gonna worry about it. Right, so we've got a few little tags. And a journaling card out of the whole deal, so I'd say we did pretty good. Plenty more things to work on. I could have put a mushroom on one of the tags, and I might still yet make some more tags, like smaller tags, because I might need some mini ones too for small tuck spots and whatnot. I also have a project coming up with an envelope. There's just this regular, like, craft colored envelope, which I can go ahead and glue the flap closed because I won't need it. On here. And I can cut across the top. All ready to have a large top pocket thing. So, alright, so I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys back here again really, really soon. I love you guys, and I hope you take care. Bye!